The 2023 Lotus Emira is the latest model from the legendary British sports car maker and the last to use an internal combustion engine. Lotus is preparing for an all-electric future. But before saying goodbye to its gasoline-fueled traditions, the company will treat purists to one final gas-burning model. As the successor to the Evora GT, the Emira is more practical, has a far nicer interior, and offers active safety equipment for the first time. While the entry-level Emira will have a Turbo 4 with 360 horsepower, Lotus offers a supercharged V6 with 400 horsepower and an available manual gearbox.